Hi, hello there. I hope you're having a great day. Today, I wanted to take a few minutes to talk about the website building process. What does that look like? How long does it take? What are the different phases that you need to consider? Um, when you launch a new business, or if you have an existing business, your website is going to be very important to help you be competitive in search results. You can do just fine without one, especially if you're focusing on local rankings, but having a website really helps you hone in on those organic rankings. So, how long does it actually take to build a website? Unless you're like a tech guru or you have a lot of time on your hands, building a website is a huge investment. So, oftentimes it's better for you to seek a professional agency to build your site for you so that you can have that time freed up to devote into your business instead. The first part that you want to consider when you're building your website is creating a web plan, because you don't want to go into this process without having an idea, a detailed plan in mind of what you want your site to look like, how the pages are going to be laid out, and how everything should kind of work. Going into the process, especially if you're working with an agency, with a plan in mind can make sure that the process goes more smoothly and the website designer is able to actually build out what you have pictured in your brain. Then this process should take up to 2 weeks so that you can have the time that you need to put everything together. The next phase is the website design process, where your agency or whoever's working on your site goes in and actually creates a mock up of what you want your website to look like based on the plan or the ideas that you gave him. The best part about having a mock-up, though, is that you get a chance to improve and approve the design before a lot of time is invested into it. That way you can avoid any extra expenses or time delays. Um, This process can take up to 3 weeks to really develop a good mock up of what your site's going to look like. The next phase is the development phase. This is where your web developer or whoever's building your site is actually going in and building your site from the mock up that was created, the plans that you have, all of the stuff that you've pulled together to put into your site. Most developers will leave in some breathing room to make changes that you request before finalizing your website. You should always stay in touch with them throughout this phase and ask for updates so that you can avoid spending extra time on redesigns. The last stage that you need to be aware of is the final review stage, where your web development team goes through and reviews everything, make sure that everything is laid out correctly, it's how you asked for it, everything works the way that it should. And then also that's your opportunity to go through and look at the site and make sure everything works correctly before it is launched and published live on the web. In conclusion, it can take 2 to 4 months on average to complete a website. And although there's like a lot of tools out there that you can use to create your own site, to really get a unique and professionally built site, you should hire an agency to help you build it. And if you're interested in Bipper Media's website design strategy or any tips and tricks that we can offer to you, please don't hesitate to book a call with one of our business development team members. They would love to get a chance to speak to you and to share knowledge with you. You can scan the QR code on the screen, or you can visit our website at bippermedia.com to learn more and connect with us. We would love to hear from you. I hope that you have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.